this is me editing right now because I just lost all my like clips that I had from the beginning. Like I look really bad right now. This is what I look like without editing, like editing while without lighting. But I lost all my clips from the intro. So like it's like so much. I'm gonna try to insert like the clips of like what products I used and stuff like that. I'm gonna try. And hopefully it's in there. I know it's gonna be in there because I'm editing it right now. Duh. But like, yeah. Sorry. So the video is kind of like all over the place, as some would say. But work with me. Work with me here. I see here. Before this clip, I believe, I showed you guys the bleaching process and all that stuff that I use for it. I did pluck this. I did record that, but I deleted it because the quality was, you know, really not the best. Too much, but I over bleached it not. So that's what makes the hairline the color looks now. I can imagine would be secure like when I use the got to be, not the got to be, the the freeze spray. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place this in like a little bun. So I have my foundation. This is in the shade 460, I think. 420. Shade 420. 2 little pumps of it, because you don't want too much. I'm gonna be using a big brush just to kind of speed the process a little bit. Like I said, you don't want too much of your foundation, concealer, whatever you're using. I tend to use a lot sometimes. Got it in my hair. But no, you don't want to use a lot because then you're gonna look powdery. Like you're gonna look like you ain't do nothing. Or it's just place a bunch of foundation. I don't know why I'm doing this. Like I don't in the middle part. Hold up. Let me just take a second. Oh. Of course, you can see my cap, and then my hair. Alright, so I wish I would have cut all this off because like that's too much lace right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. You might not. It might not be that much lace, but I know I'm not feeling that. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take a little bit of hairs out. You don't want too much because too much is not good. So I kind of just irritated myself because I realized that I said the word like 1,500 times in the next clip you guys are about to see. I apologize because like that really was not what I was supposed to be saying, but I said it. So I apologize for saying like a bunch of times. So don't get irritated. Don't click off the video. I mean, if you guys want to, you guys can do that. But like, if you're enjoying it so far, just wait it out for like 5 seconds. Because I just simply said, I think I'm going to fast forward that version. So I'll be talking like really, really fast. All I said in that clip was, this is what I did. I ended up fixing it and changing the got to be glued to mousse because the got to be glued was just not working for me. It just made it look hard and I'm just like, no. So I switched it over to the mousse. So, yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna start my camera again. So this is what it looks like now. I went back in and I just put mousse on top of it because I did not like the way the gel was looking. So I just kind of took the gel stuff like off and I just used mousse.